So hi friends, I'm Mohit Zain and I'm 21 years old. So I wanted to share with you guys my journey of how I went from 45 kgs to 70 kgs in a matter of 24 months. Yes, 24 months mein how I gained almost more than 20 kg muscle mass. Now, it was not easy. I had a lot of ups and downs, but then I thought of sharing this journey with like-minded people and those who are probably in the same phase that I was 2 years back. तो आई थॉट कि यूट्यूब से अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म कोई नहीं है. लेट्स जस्ट डाइव इनटू ऑन हाउ आई गेन द 20 kg muscle mass. When I started this journey, I was just 45 kgs. I was very weak, I was underweight, and I knew I needed to make a change. Not just for my appearance, but for my overall health. And obviously, confidence भी boost होता है. The road was not easy, but it was worth every drop of sweat. I was struggling with self-esteem and I was so underconfident. मैं उस समय आई थिंक व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड गोइंग टू द जिम उस समय कोरोना जस्ट ख़त्म ही हुआ था एंड कोरोना ख़त्म होने के बाद भी आई यूज़ टू हैव मास्क. सो उस समय क्या हुआ था ना कि तुम मास्क नहीं भी लगा सकते हो. तो उस समय जब कोरोना एंडेड एंड एवरीथिंग आई स्टिल यूज टू वेयर द मास्क बिकॉज आई वाज सो अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट. मेरे को शर्म आती थी यार बाहर जाने में. आई डिडंट वांट पीपल टू सी मी माय फेस और एनीथिंग. आई यूज टू वेयर मास्क एंड आई यूज टू हाइड माई सेल्फ. मैं घर में रहता था. नो फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़, नथिंग. And that made sense why my social life was zero, my confidence was zero. I thought कि कुछ इसका करना पड़ेगा यार. I mean, if not me, then someone has to. And then that is when I decided to join the gym. मैंने बहुत सारे videos देखे थे of how to change life, and I think most of the videos में there was this one thing common. It just tells you to just start doing something for yourself. And उस point पे I don't know why, but then I thought that gym would be the best thing, and it was indeed the best thing that I did. Gym has changed my life, and I think joining the gym was the best decision of my life. But then again there were many problems. I was very scared कि मैं अकेला कैसे gym join करूँगा, and then what about me being an introvert. I was a big introvert. I still am actually, but then I'm trying. So I think the first thing that I decided to do was just join the gym, right? So मैं गया, मैंने अपने savings से पैसे निकाले and I just joined the gym. A lot of thoughts confused me कि अरे यार अब क्या करना होगा. I have no friends. I have no friends in the gym. What should I do? I was skinny. कोई बात नहीं करते थे मेरे से. But then I think taking that first step before everything is the most crucial and the most important thing of your life. To actually take the first step to enter the gym, that's most important. So basically मैंने realize किया कि diet, training, gym की training and everything ये सब side की बातें हैं. The first important thing was to actually join the gym. Yes, I had to step into the gym for everything to change. Now for starters, when it comes to the nutrition, right? आपने gym join कर लिया, you have done the first step. Congratulations. Now, what about the diet? Well, for the starters, I just started eating more. आजकल के लोग क्या करते हैं? They are like 10 दिन हुए नहीं जिम ज्वाइन किए and they are like, oh मेरे को प्रोटीन लेना है, मेरे को अपना प्रोटीन इंटेक पूरा करना है, I have to eat this much like grams of carbs, this much grams of fiber. ये सब बाद की बातें हैं. The first important thing, like when it comes to nutrition, right? And if you're starting as a skinny person or an ectomorph, the first important thing is to gain weight. And to gain weight, you have to eat more. Going to 45 से 70 तक जाने के लिए, obviously I had this plan. I had to eat more. प्रोटीन इंटेक पूरा हो नहीं है वो सब बात की बात थी. तो मैं क्या करता था, जो मेरी यूजुअल डाइट थी, आई वॉज एक्चुअली स्टिल स्टक एट दैट. बट देन द वन थिंग दैट आई चेंज्ड वाज आई स्टार्टेड ईटिंग अ लॉट मोर ऑफ दैट सेम थिंग. आई स्टार्टेड ईटिंग मोर ऑफ व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू ईट बिफोर. क्योंकि उस समय मेरे पास कोई प्लान नहीं था, कोई डाइट, कोई न्यूट्रिशन का कोई प्लान नहीं था. बिफोर जॉइनिंग द जिम मेरा 1 या 2 रोटी में पेट भर जाता था. माई एपेटाइट वॉज दिस मच. Once I started going to the gym, मेरी appetite अचानक से बढ़ गई. It was because obviously I'm doing all those training and I'm tired, so body को fuel चाहिए, right? So it just happens automatically. 1 या 2 रोटी की जगह I started eating 3. I forced myself. अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो भी I used to force myself. मैं पहले gym join किया था in the initial months. I was thinking a lot about protein, somewhere in the back of my head. I used to think a lot about protein कि यार being a vegetarian, it's very hard to complete your protein intake and everything. And yeah, that's true. Vegetarian होके वो सब task complete करना, it's बहुत difficult है. But then I forced myself to just focus on eating more. मैं just खाना ज़्यादा खाने में मैंने focus किया. And that is how I survived for the next, I think, 5 to 6 months. So I just focused on eating more. That's it. If you guys want to know what my current full day of eating looks like as a vegetarian, then let me know down in the comment section. And मैं एक अलग से एक वीडियो बनाऊंगा जहाँ पे I will talk about my पर्टिकुलर ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोटीन जो मैं एक दिन में कंज्यूम करता हूँ, एंड देन मेरी मील प्रेप से लेके मैं अपने पूरे दिन में उन मील्स को कैसे टाइम करता हूँ, उस वीडियो में हम इन सब के बारे में बात करेंगे. So to go from 45 kgs to 70 kgs, I had to push myself really hard. So after a few months of joining the gym, this is what my training schedule used to look like. I started with basic compound lifts like squats, deadlifts and bench presses. These exercises were key in building overall strength and mass. And मैंने अपने initial years में इन तीनों movements पे बहुत focus किया था. In the gym, I focused on progressive overload. Now, progressive overload means increasing the weight, sets, and reps over time. And I think progressive load is very crucial for gaining muscle, and that is how your body adapts to it, and that is how you grow muscle. Now, along with strength training, cardio is just as important. Back then, I used to run, and even now, I still run. Even your heart is a muscle, guys. So don't forget to train your heart. You run, you do sprints, and that is how you train your cardiovascular system. So consistency was everything. And there is another important thing that I wanted to talk about. It was surrounding myself with supportive people, which made a huge difference. Friends in the gym, online communities, or even watching other fitness journeys on YouTube. I found motivation in the stories, and it helped me grow and be consistent towards my goal. 24 months के बाद, I can proudly say that I have gained 25 kgs from 45 to 70. लेकिन ये जर्नी अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुई है. So if you guys are on a similar journey or you're thinking to start one, I'm here to tell you that it's totally possible. With the right mindset and hard work, you can achieve things that you have only ever imagined. So click on the subscribe button and join me on this journey to see how far we go. Thanks for watching, guys.